Our tool house tip this week is a continuation of our series on homestead house building techniques. And one thing I want to point out, this is the back side of the house, and what is wrong with this picture? Well, you look at that and say, well, there's a lot of things wrong with this picture, and that's a whole different story. The thing I want to point out in this video is, see our chimney, our fireplace chimney? That is on the very end of the house. Now again, when I built this house, I wasn't looking for energy efficiency and all those type of things, which I should have been. I was looking for ambiance. I wanted a big fireplace at the end of the living room. This is our living room. It's got a cathedral ceiling. I wanted that fireplace for more of ambiance or just that type of appeal. I wasn't looking for a heat source. Well, as I've gotten into homesteading more, I realized, hey, I can really offset a lot of my energy bills in the wintertime if I put an insert into that fireplace. I got tons of firewood, 100 acres of forest, so I got tons of firewood. So just splitting it and bringing it in provides an extra heat source. But you can see the logistics and the placement of that fireplace compared to the rest of the house. Now, I've got a heat source at the very end of the house and with a cathedral ceiling, so that's kind of a double whammy. So when you're designing your house, you think, if I want to use wood or a wood burning heat source, see if you can centralize that. Ideally, if I had the chimney in the dead center of the house, the kitchen stove is actually the geographic center of our house. So if I'd had a fireplace there and moved the kitchen around or done something like that, kind of would have taken some engineering with this specific house plan, then I could have had a centralized heat source and could have been able to use much more radiant heat in that situation. Now again, there's plenty of other heat source options. The fireplace insert is what I went with because it was the cheapest option. I could do outdoor wood burners, radiant heat, all those type of things. But all that takes a lot of equipment, takes a lot of money, and again, takes a lot of input. Still requires a lot of electricity in that situation. So take that in consideration. If you want to go off-grid or low energy consumption, then a wood burner in the middle of the house is going to radiate a lot of heat and really provide a good heat source there for you.